into the brows. I'm using this brow gel from GELE Cosmetics to like tame my brows, to brush the hairs up, my brow hairs, brush it up. Do the other side. And using my hand to like press it in. I'll be going into this brow gel, this Egg and Esther brow gel in Nubia for my caramel skin to outline the brow. So I'll be picking the amount I want to use for my brows. Just be picking out the amount I need to use for the brows and products and outlining the brows. Basically just starts from the brown hair, the down part. I started from the brown hair, where the brown hair started from. That was where I started from. Just give it a straight line downwards. Repeat the same thing on the upper part. So I'll be shading this outer part. We'll repeat the same thing on the other part of the brows. Just pick your product and outline. A shade in the parts where there is no hair. I'm just checking my two brows to see if they look alike or if they are the same. If they are not, I'll correct it. So this one, I'm liking the way this brows is. So I'll be making these brows look like this. Let's do that together. I feel we look alike now, right? Yeah, so it's just check through. If there's any mistake, you correct your mistake, because there's nobody above mistake. We are not magicians. We are just makeup artists. So if you have mistake, you correct your mistake. So they are looking alike now. So I'm going into my brow pencil in the shade 18 to give the brow strokes. So let's do that together now. Just give it a 4 stroke. So I'll be using another pencil to continue. So this is what we have. So now we're moving on to using our brush to our wand to brush out the hairs. Brush it out, just brush it out. Then moving on, we'll be highlighting the brow. So I'm using Born This Way concealer in the shade Honey, the shade I used earlier, and I'll be using this GELE concealer for the outer part of the brow in the shade Caramel. So I'll be picking the amount I need for this, and also be picking this shade of GELE too for the outer part of the brows. So we'll just be highlighting the brow bone. So for my highlight, you use the lighter part of concealer for the brow bone. Just highlight the brows with concealer. I'm using the lighter shade of concealer. I'm using the lighter shade of concealer for the brow bone. Then I'm cleaning my brush. I'm using this caramel, the GELE caramel, to like outline the outer part of the brows. So this is what we have. I'll be blending this out. So whenever I'm blending like this, I'm blending out. It means I don't want the product to be there. I'm blending out the arch lines first. Then I'm tapping in to blend in the concealers into the skin. So I made a mistake, a little bit of mistake. I chopped in this piece a little bit, because you can see I'm going into my brow gel I used to outline the brows to like clean that place off a little bit. And so I just did the correction. So I'm repeating the same thing on the other brows. So guys, this is what we have for the brows. And I'll be blending from so this is what we have for the brows.